So to remove those tooling marks in the file, I am lightly greasing over these fret crowns with the scrub block that I send out in the kits to you guys. And this first bout is 320 grit. I now stepped up to 400 grit. And step it up again to 600 grit. So that has removed all of the tooling marks of the file. That one piece of tape was loosening up a little bit, so I'm replacing it. This one too is, you can see the inlay under that tape. This is why I've masked off completely. Usually if it's a plain rosewood or ebony fingerboard, I wouldn't go to this extent. Now we've got the emery cloth, and you can hear the oil different. You can hear the different sound of the lighter grit. So this emery cloth is like super fine. Just going to give that a quick buff now. This flexible material, like I've mentioned in other videos, it slurs over the crown and chases it back to center, and that's what we're doing. So we're just about ready to buff, and then we'll peel off this masking tape and you can check out this fingerboard. Well, before we go through all the spectacular details on this very special Martin guitar, we're going to do that tuning test again now that the compensated cantilevered bridge saddle and the compensated nut are done. So open string, 12th fret, 7th fret, 19th fret octave, open string again, and fretted first note. This is one of 25 of this model that were made. This particular guitar, number 25, out of a limited edition of 25, this was the 2005 NAMM show showcase guitar for Martin & Company. So both the neck and the head block are Spanish cedar. For us in the Western world, when you think cedar, you think of something you could put a thumbnail print in. Spanish cedar is a whole different story. It's pretty well identical to most mahoganies in weight, density, and stability. You know, it's got this wonderful spicy smell. Well, you just open the case and the aroma of the Spanish cedar becomes immediately apparent, much like Brazilian rosewood does. It has an exceptionally wide grain Adirondack spruce top. And this is our cantilevered, compensated bridge saddle. This is for regular light 12 to 53 strings of concert pitch. This is the hand-signed label by Chris Martin IV, number 25 of 25. So this is the custom carbon fiber case that it comes in. Now that all the calibration has been done and the humidity has been brought up to exactly where it should be, with this case it'll be very easy for Chris to maintain that humidity level year-round. And there you have it. CF Martin's Koa Special. Cheers. Thanks for tuning in.